I've been hosting these and Transcending Incrementalism workshops. This is the 9th one that we've done. They started in 2012. It's expanded to the challenges of the 21st century and how do we meet the needs of an additional 3 billion people without further damaging the climate.
That we need to find solutions which are more than incremental, because the problems we are facing don't lend themselves to incremental solutions anymore.
We have three choices. We have the choice to mitigate, reduce greenhouse gases. We have a choice to adapt and suffer. These are three things that are going to happen.
I think the solution to the global warming problems are going to be mostly technology driven.
And it really boils down to food, water, housing, energy, and healthcare.
And something will happen, and we will start acting.
I try to induce people to conspire to do good because it's a lot more fun.